Let's be real for a second. The AI assistants we use every day, they're kind of limited, right? What if you could build one that's truly yours? Not just another chatbot, but a powerful system that actually automates the annoying parts of your life. Well, today, we're going to show you exactly how to build that with zero coding.
I mean, really think about it. Imagine an assistant that works for you in the background 24/7. A system that connects all the different apps and services you use to handle these complex, multi-step tasks, all without you even lifting a finger.
And this isn't some sci-fi fantasy. It's totally possible right now. And it all comes down to one incredibly powerful tool that acts as the brain for your very own custom AI. Let's dive in.
Okay, the secret weapon here is a tool called NN. And yeah, you say it N8N. Just think of this thing as the central nervous system for all your personal automations. It's the magic glue that connects everything together. Now, the real beauty of NAN is that you don't need to be a programmer. You don't have to be a coding genius. All you need is an idea. You literally just connect different blocks together where each block is an action, and boom, your automation just runs. And this is where it gets really, really good. First off, it's open source and free. That's huge. The interface is all visual drag and drop, so you're not writing code, you're just connecting dots. But this next one, this is a game changer. It's self-hostable. That means your data stays your data. Full stop. Plus, if you're ever stuck for ideas, there's a giant library of templates to get you started. Okay, so enough theory. What can you actually do with this thing? Let's walk through a pretty awesome example. Building your own personal research assistant that finds and summarizes news for you automatically. So check this out. Instead of you wasting hours every morning scanning websites, the system does it all. It scans the sites you care about, finds articles with your keywords, like Apple, and then sends them over to an AI like Google's Gemini to get a quick summary. Finally, it puts all those summaries into one clean document for you. It's like having a personal researcher on staff, 24/7. And it's not just for research. Think about your work life. Imagine you create one single event in your Google Calendar for a new project. That one action could automatically create the project folder in Drive, add a new card to your Trello board, and even send the kickoff email to your team. It's all about setting up these chain reactions to win back your time. So, now that you've seen what's possible, you're probably asking, okay, how do I actually get this thing running? Right. So for your AI to work, its brain needs a place to live online. This is called hosting. You're basically just renting a tiny, private little computer in the cloud. It's called a virtual private server, or VPS, and that's where your automations will run day and night. You've basically got two paths here. You can use N8N's official paid plan, which is great, but it starts at 20 euros a month and has some limits. Or you can self-host it on a service like Hostinger for around 6 euros a month. You get way fewer limitations and a lot more control. And I really got to double down on this point because it's so important. When you self-host, everything, your automations, the data they use, it's all running on your private server. You have total, complete control and confidentiality. Perfect if you're working with sensitive info. Okay, one last little setup concept before we build something cool. It's called credentials. To connect to your accounts like Gmail or Discord, N8N uses these super secure access keys. Think of it like giving it a special key card to get into your Google account, instead of giving it your actual password. It never sees your password, and you only have to set it up once. All right, theory's over. Let's actually build something together right now. We're going to create a sweet little automation that takes a simple list of products and spins it into a goldmine of creative content ideas. So here's the mission. We've got a Google Doc, and all we do is type product names into it. Whenever we update that list, our automation is going to wake up, analyze those products, and start generating video concepts, titles, and even thumbnail ideas, all on its own. So let's map this out, step by step. Each of these steps is a node. First, our trigger node just sits there, watching our Google Doc for changes. The second we update it, the next node grabs that product list. Then, we zap that list over to the Gemini AI to brainstorm some video concepts. After that, we create a brand new Google Doc, and then, this is cool, we send the concepts back to the AI to come up with specific titles and thumbnail ideas. Finally, the last node dumps all that awesome creative content into our new document. It all just flows automatically. Now look, I'm going to be real with you. There is a learning curve. This isn't something you're going to master in 5 minutes. You have to be willing to get in there and play around. But once it clicks, oh man, the potential to just completely overhaul your personal and professional life is, well, it's absolutely massive.
You can connect hundreds of different apps and services. You can hook in different AIs, set up all sorts of complex logic. You can build workflows for just about anything you can dream up. Seriously, the only thing holding you back is your own imagination.
So, I want you to start thinking about your own routines. What are those repetitive, boring, time-sucking tasks that you do every single day or every single week? Chances are you can build a personal AI to handle them for you. So the only question left is, what are you going to automate first?